Las Vegas. Today in this part of the video, I will try to show you some of the best daytime activities in the Las Vegas. This city is also known by variety of different names. Some call it the Sin City, the City of Dreams, the gambling capital of the world, the entertainment capital of the world, the city which never sleeps. There are also popular sayings, whatever happens in the Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas. The city, everybody has the system but nobody has the plans. It is also said about this city that the city was built on dreams and hopes. Upon arrival at the airport, visitors are greeted with a flurry of activity and excitement. Slot machines and other gambling machines offer a taste of what is to come in the city's casinos. The bright lights and noise of the machines create a lively atmosphere that sets the tone for the rest of the Las Vegas experience. Starting your trip to the Las Vegas from the iconic "Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas" sign on the strip is the perfect way to kick off your Las Vegas adventure yourself in the city's lively atmosphere. The sign is a popular photo spot for tourists. From there you can explore the famous Las Vegas Strip, which is home to numerous theme-based hotels and world-class dining and shopping options, and an array of entertainment choices. The Strip is the heart of Las Vegas. It is a 4.2-mile long street lined with hotels, casinos, and entertainment venues. You can spend hours walking around and exploring the different attractions. The Las Vegas Strip is an exciting destination with plenty of daytime activities and attractions to enjoy. During the day, visitors can stroll along the strip and take in sights of the various themed hotels and casinos. A replica of Eiffel Tower of Paris, France, and some other monuments are also found on the street. Whether you are interested in shopping, sightseeing, or just taking the unique atmosphere, the Las Vegas Strip has something for everyone during the daytime. Casinos in Las Vegas are lavish entertainment complexes that offer a wide variety of gambling activities, including slot machines, table games, sports, betting, and poker. They often feature opulent decor, luxurious amenities, and high-end restaurants and shops. Las Vegas is well known as the gambling capital of the world, and its casinos attracts millions of visitors each year who come to try their luck and experience the glitz and glamour of the Sin City. Las Vegas hotel swimming pools are a must-see attraction for visitors to the cities. The pool scene in Vegas is legendary, with many hotels boasting extravagant and luxurious pool complexes. These pools offer a respite from the desert heat, with many featuring cabanas, lounges, and bars for visitors to relax and unwind. The pool area are often designed with a tropical or beachy theme, complete with palm trees, waterfall, and even sandy beaches. At some hotels, the pools are a party destination with DJ set and poolside entertainment. Visitors can also enjoy stunning view of the city skyline from some of the rooftop pools. Whether you are looking for a relaxing day by the pool or a lively pool party, the Vegas hotel swimming pools are not to be missed. The daytime view of the Las Vegas Strip is a bustling and vibrant destination with a variety of activities, including street performers showcasing their talents, people watching, shopping, and exploring various attractions such as casinos and restaurants. The scene is lively with crowds of tourists and locals alike enjoying the energy and excitement of the iconic destination. Exploring the various themed hotels and their attraction is an opportunity for visitors to know more about them. The strip is home to some of the most iconic hotels and casinos in the world. There is no shortage of luxury and entertainment. Make sure to visit some of these hotels like Circus, where you will have the opportunity to watch the live performance of circus shows and experience their unique offerings. In conclusion, the Las Vegas Strip is a hub of activity during the day, offering something for everyone to enjoy, from shopping and dining to thrilling attractions and entertainment. There is never a dull moment on this iconic street. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the exciting daytime activities that the Las Vegas Strip has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope you subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about the amazing experiences to be had in this incredible city.